Chatbots have been used in many industries, such as banking, finance, human resources, and even management. You've probably seen or even interacted with chatbots to make orders for your pizza or to shop for clothing. However, I'm going to talk about one or two companies that have been using chatbots to give very impressive services in the area of counseling and therapy. One company is called Wobot. It's founded by Andrew Ng, one of the giants of AI and machine learning. The chatbot is essentially providing a cognitive behavioral therapy, which means you talk to the chatbot and the chatbot tries to analyze your conversation, and if it detects that you need psychological help, it tries to give you adequate information to deal with your condition, or even play simple games with you to change your mood. It's actually quite effective, and a number of companies are using it to give employee assistance programs.